Imagine being able to create lifelike characters without hiring actors, spending hours sketching, or writing a single line of code. What if you could build entire digital avatars with just a few clicks? Well, today's cutting-edge AI tools make that a reality. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools that will totally change how you create consistent characters, whether it's for YouTube, video games, or even your own short films. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools can help you craft characters that aren't just consistent, but also unique to your style. Creating consistent characters used to be a massive headache, especially if you're an independent creator, filmmaker, or just someone experimenting without a huge budget. Whether it's building a digital avatar for your brand or creating a whole cast for a short film, the challenge has always been consistency. How do you make sure your characters look the same from different angles, under different lighting, or across multiple media formats? That's where AI comes in. The tools I'm about to share not only help you create characters quickly, but also ensure they stay consistent across every scene, frame, or project. Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools that make this possible. First up, we have Flux Laura, and this tool is a game changer for building consistent AI characters. It's designed to replicate one character design with impressive consistency, even when you change angles, expressions, or lighting. This makes it perfect if you're working on a video series or animations with the same character, but in different scenes. You start by feeding Flux Laura a single image of your character, and it'll generate that character in different poses and settings, all while keeping everything perfectly consistent. You can even use its advanced training module to refine the character further. Whether you're aiming for realism, a cartoonish vibe, or something more stylized, Flux Laura handles it. The best part? You only need a few images to train it, making it super user-friendly. Next, let's talk about Clink AI. This tool takes things up a notch. Not only does it help you create consistent characters, but it also turns those characters into fully animated video sequences. Yeah, you heard that right. Just from images, you can create entire short films. Clink AI works by transforming static images into dynamic video content. So say you've got a character from Flux Laura. You can use Clink AI to animate it, add camera movements, facial expressions, and even different actions. All you have to do is write a prompt, and Clink AI handles the rest. It's ideal if you want to make videos without diving deep into complex animation software. Third on our list is Artbreeder, a tool known for its versatility in character design. Artbreeder lets you blend existing characters to create new ones using simple sliders. But what makes it special is how it keeps your characters consistent, even when you're mixing traits from different designs. For example, if you want a character with a warrior's body but a pop star's face, you can merge those traits easily with Artbreeder. It's especially useful for fantasy or sci-fi projects where you need unique, otherworldly features but still want a cohesive look across all your characters. The AI ensures that no matter how much you mix and match, the character's core appearance stays consistent. Coming in at number 4 is Fotor AI, the go-to if you want something fast and easy. Fotor AI allows you to create characters using templates or by uploading a single image. What's great is how simple the interface is, making it perfect for creators who don't want to spend too much time tweaking settings. While it doesn't offer the depth of customization that some other tools do, Fotor AI is great for one-off projects or placeholders while you work on developing your characters. You can still adjust facial expressions and poses with just a few clicks. Last but definitely not least, we've got Deep Dream Generator. This tool takes character creation to a whole new artistic level. If you're looking for something more abstract or painterly, Deep Dream Generator allows you to apply artistic filters to your characters, ensuring a consistent visual style across all your images. It's perfect for projects that need a distinct visual style, like a comic book or an animated short with a hand-painted look. While it's not focused on realism, its ability to apply consistent artistic filters is unmatched, great for more experimental or stylistic projects. So, there you have it, the top AI tools for creating consistent characters. Whether you're working on short films, digital avatars, or even a comic, these tools will save you time and help your characters stay consistent and true to your vision. If you're serious about stepping up your character creation game, definitely give these tools a try. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know which tool you're most excited to try out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.